Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your image into Photopea. Make sure you unlock the background layer immediately so edits are reversible. Once done, duplicate the layer to preserve the original. This is your safety backup. Next, choose the type tool for adding new words, or use the lasso or magic wand to isolate existing text for replacement. You should also set resolution and zoom so pixels are visible. This helps you match size and spacing accurately before moving to edit. Now you handle the core work, removing or changing the text. If the text is rasterized, carefully use content-aware fill or the clone stamp to clear the area. Make sure to work on the duplicated layer so you can compare changes. Then add new text with the type tool, choosing a matching font, size, and color. You should adjust kerning and tracking, and set the layer blend mode to normal or multiply to replicate texture. Use a subtle layer mask to blend edges for realism. Finish by matching final texture. Add a small amount of noise or Gaussian blur to the text layer so it blends with the photo. This helps sell the edit. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD for future tweaks, then export a flattened PNG or JPG for sharing. If things look off, check layer opacity, blending modes, and that masks are feathered. If replacement edges are visible, nudge and resample with the clone stamp. And remember, save frequently to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.